Hey everyone! Let's talk about something I'm pretty sure we've all felt. You know that feeling when it seems like you have to like something just because it's super popular? Well, today we're going to pull back the curtain on a really clever trick people use to convince us of things. Ready? Let's get into it.
I mean, really think about it for a second. A brand new song comes out, or a new game drops, and boom! Suddenly it feels like absolutely everyone is talking about it. And you might start to feel this little bit of pressure, right? Like, man, maybe I should like this too, just so you don't feel left out.
Okay, so that feeling, it actually has a name. It's a whole thing. It's called the bandwagon technique. So let's dig in and figure out what exactly that means.
All right, so here's the deal with the bandwagon technique. It's not about trying to convince you that something is actually good quality. No, it's really just about saying, hey, look, tons of people are doing this, so you should probably do it too. The whole idea is based on one thing. If it's popular, it must be good. Or at least that's what they want you to think.
And that's really the secret message behind it all. It's playing on that little voice in our heads that worries about being left out. You know, we all want to feel like we're part of the group, and this technique totally uses that feeling to get our attention.
But wait a second. Bandwagon? Where does a name like that even come from? It sounds kind of random, right? Well, it's not. It actually has a super interesting story behind it.
Okay, I want you to picture this. Go way, way back in time. Imagine a huge, super loud parade filling up the streets. These were big deals, like massive parties. And you know what every great parade needs? Awesome music.
So, to make sure the music could be heard by everyone, the band would hop onto this big wagon that rolled along with the parade. So you literally had a band on a wagon. A bandwagon. See where this is going?
And this is the really cool part. People in the crowd would actually start jumping onto the wagon with the band. It was their way of showing everyone, hey, I'm with these guys, I'm on the winning team. And over time, that phrase, jumping on the bandwagon, stuck. It came to mean joining in on something just because it's the popular thing to do.
So there you have it. That's the story of where the name came from. Pretty neat, right? Now, let's fast forward to today and see how this exact same idea, this thing that happened in old parades, shows up all around us. And trust me, you're going to see it everywhere.
All right, let's check out some real-life examples. You see an ad that says, everyone is wearing these sneakers. Don't get left out. Yep, that's bandwagon. Or how about when a friend tells you all the cool kids are watching this show? You should too. Total bandwagon. Thousands have already signed the petition. What are you waiting for? That's another one. And the classic, don't be the only one not at the party. See the pattern? They're all trying to make you feel like you're going to miss out if you don't join in.
Okay, so we've covered what the bandwagon is, and we've seen it in action. But now we get to the most important part of all this. Why does this even matter to you? Why is it such a big deal to be able to spot this stuff?
This is the main takeaway, the number one thing to remember. Just because something's popular doesn't automatically mean it's the best choice for you. That super popular song, maybe it's not your jam. That game everyone's playing, maybe you just don't find it fun. And you know what? That is 100% okay. And that's where you get your power back. Once you know what the bandwagon technique is, you start to see it. It gives you the chance to pause and ask yourself, wait, do I actually like this or do I just feel like I'm supposed to? Knowing this helps you make choices that are true to yourself, not just choices based on what's popular. Thanks for listening, everyone.